This is about the 5th time I've tried to do this video, but I'm pretty sure I have my thoughts down. 3 minutes or less, we're going to talk about those first 10 days of school. The best way to describe the 10 days when you first come to the Career Center is a getting to know you period as well as a semi-probationary period. We understand completely that these kids are coming in and they don't know their new teachers, they don't know their building, and it's a very big change. We want them to be in the right place, and that's for everybody, teachers, counselors, everybody. When you find that right career tech area that you're in, and you have 2.5 hours a day to work in it, it's pretty exciting. But if someone does not have a good match, if for whatever reason they just need to go back to their homeschool or they need to change programs, and there's so many reasons why that might happen, then we have that first 10 days of school for them to make that declaration and visit other programs at the school, as well as talk to our counselors about going back to their homeschool. We have a lot of options and a lot of flexibility, so we're just trying to do what's best for all the kids. And that might include not attending the vocational area they originally signed up for. After the 10 days, the year is pretty much cemented in place. And I actually think it's important for people to really give it some thought, because what they see from me on those first 10 days is exactly what they're going to see, except it'll be higher expectations. And as we go through, there should be an improvement in skill level. And I just want them to honestly and truthfully see what the program's going to be like so they can make an informed decision. And I really think that happens in all of our other labs too. So it's very important for those 10 days, because once the commitment is made, it is a long school year for somebody who is in the wrong place. So that's a little bit about the 10 days. Your counselors, homeschool counselors, and Career Center counselors can explain it much better than I can. But at least you'll know those 10 days are very important. Think about it, talk about it, and make some decisions. That's way less than 3 minutes, so I did it this time. Thanks for watching.